Oh my god, you guys can see that 3,000 market cap, 2,000 liquidity, but I would highly recommend 100% remove liquidity, wait for your phantom wallet to show up, ignore the block, click on confirm, wait for a few seconds as liquidity is removed, and bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it, bro. I just devved a coin in front of you. And look, in my phantom wallet, yes, we received it, okay, as it should. And yes, you can look at the proof of removing liquidity. Now, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your due diligence and do your own research. If you're still trading meme coins right now, you are putting yourself in the weakest position in the market. Why? Most traders lose millions of dollars trading meme coins. Most traders buy after the movement starts and when the hype is at its peak, and the person who created the coin exits into that demand, leaving traders ultimately to lose all their money because they become exit liquidity. That's why people who actually win in this space are not focused on trading, but they're focused on creating the hype themselves, also known as deving coins. It's low risk and high upside because you have nothing to lose if no one buys your coin, unlike trading. You can just test your luck, launch your coin for literally $0 and wait for people to buy it. When the hype is high and the volume is really high, you can just cash out and repeat that method as a dev and just stack up that crypto portfolio. But when you trade though, you need a big portfolio and you always have the risk of losing all your money because he could rug pull at any moment. So that's exactly why I am making this video on how to dev. I will be showing you guys exactly how I dev and make hundreds of thousands of dollars with this deving strategy. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Now, guys, most people, when they launch meme coins, they make them on Pump.Fun right here. Now, I'm pretty sure 95% of everyone watching this video right now knows what Pump.Fun is. It's the biggest DEX right now with the most volume. But here's exactly why I do not launch here. It's oversaturated. It's simply competitive. As I can see, there are too many coins launching on Pump.Fun. So the odds that your coin, okay, goes viral are extremely low. And let's be honest, bro, you do not control your own liquidity pool, which means you cannot just remove the liquidity and cash out. You will need to buy a lot of supplies, and that is just not worth it. So instead, I launched my meme coins on the Radium DEX, which is also called the migrate section. Here is where most of the volume lies. There are real people buying your coins. There's more volume, and there's just more potential. That's why I dev on Radium, bro. You guys will see it's actually insane. It's basically like free promotion because there is no competition. Now look, to launch a meme coin on Radium, bro, do not use Pump.Fun because it will have to go through a migration price of $35,000. Instead, use launchmeme.fun. This is the best launch pad for Radium. Every single coin that you dev goes to Radium immediately, and that's exactly why people gatekeep this launch pad. Now you have multiple ways of deving a coin on launchmeme.fun. You could either create a whole new coin custom made from scratch by following the steps and inventing a name, symbol, and image, or you can use their free Twitter tracker and turn tweets into coins within seconds. For example, if a viral tweet comes out, you can be the first one on the chain to turn it into a coin. But in this video, bro, we will be using a different approach, the copy trending coin strategy. So instead of creating a whole new coin from scratch, we will copy a coin that is going viral right now on Pump.Fun and bring it back to Radium. All these coins have compelling narratives. They're all getting a bunch of attention, a bunch of buyers, and just a bunch of everything, which means they have a proven narrative and community. We will be using these ideas to recopy them back to Radium, where we can get a bunch of trades, buyers, and just profits in our pockets. I will even do an example with this strategy. All right, now that you're making some money, let me show you how. First, make sure your Phantom wallet is properly connected. Now let me hit refresh to load the latest ones. Look at this one. This matches a massive crypto Twitter narrative perfectly. The twist is already proven. People are already buying it. I'm clicking copy to Radium. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. You'll see a warning pop up that is completely normal on every launchpad. Just ignore it. It's safe. Click proceed, confirm I understand, and confirm. Give it a few seconds, and bang, bro, the coin gets created and is live on the blockchain. Click view on SolScan to verify that our token is active on the chain. As you can see, everything is perfect, and the token was minted 15 seconds ago. Now we set up the liquidity pool. Return to the site and click Create Liquidity. This is where we allocate the supply and take early control. For the token amount, click on 90%. For the soul pairing, this is where you put a bit of soul to swap into your own token supply. I'm putting in 0.3 soul, and don't worry, you're not losing this. It's returned to your wallet when you cash out. Click Create Pool. Phantom Wallet pops up. Ignore the warning again. It's safe. Click Confirm. Boom, your token is now open for trade. Your pools just showed up here. If you want to check right now our token update, just hit refresh. And boom, we are up around $70, and it shows that the pool is successfully created and open for people to trade. Now click on View on Photon. You guys can use any other platform, let the coin mode properly, and see, guys, buyers are in and a lot of transactions are happening. That's really unbelievable, but having a live coin isn't enough. We need traders to actually see it. Instead of spamming Twitter, we go straight to promote Memes.Fun. This gets you instant exposure on Deck Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Connect your Phantom, paste your token address. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 Soul package for maximum reach. You can choose any package you want. Now, this is the most important part. Make sure you enable Include Free Website. Upload your logo, set your token name, select Radium, and select your preferred theme. I'm going with black and just click Confirm. Our website preferences are saved and good to go. Now click Pay and Promote. Wait for the Phantom Wallet to pop up. This is a confirmation request. Click Confirm, wait for the Phantom Wallet to pop up again, then click Confirm again. Now, watch within seconds. It builds a clean website and starts pushing your coin to thousands of active traders. Boom, the website is ready. Open it and see your token details and tokenomics. You can also add this site link to your socials. Let's jump over to Photon and watch the chart live. Oh my God, just look at this. We are easily around $1,000 to $2,000 up already, bang. Bro, buyers are coming in and some buyers are also selling our coin. But this is okay, come on, fuck. More and more people are entering. I think we have hit around $2,000 profit already. That's crazy anyways. I'm gonna let this coin sit for a bit, let it gain more traction and pump. We are not trying to make your $50,000 on a single coin. The best dev in the world. Focus on launching more coin in a day, so easily can make $200, $500, and even a $1,000. So yeah, guys, I catch you soon. All right, guys, I'm back. And yeah, some people are selling now, but we're sitting at around 3,000 market cap. That's actually insane. The coin already pumped hard. So yeah, I'm dumping my position. Now go back to launchmeme.fun and hit refresh. As you can see, we're up around $1,600, which is honestly very good for most people. Now click the minus button, then select 100% to remove all liquidity. Wait for the Phantom Wallet to pop up, and just ignore the warning and click Confirm. Wait for a few seconds as liquidity is being removed. Bang, that's it. Done. Now, if I open my wallet, boom, $2,119 are in it. At the start of the video, I have almost 6 soul, and now I have 24 soul in total. Is it not insane? This right here shows it clearly. Deving is way more powerful than trading. If you're still not convinced, I don't know what else will. This strategy is exactly how you stop being the exit liquidity and start printing. You track the news, you launch fast, and you let the traders do the work for you. Rinse and repeat that method over and over again to win. Trying to get started but don't have the dev fee? I got you. I'm sending 1 soul to 10 winners to help you take your first step. To enter, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment down below.